So lately, I've been thinking about Microsoft Power BI Report Builder and how it has to be the most AI ready piece of enterprise BI software on the market that does not have AI integrated into it. And here's my thinking. The paginated report RDL format is frankly a prime candidate for LLMs. The RDL is essentially just an XML file based on the SSRS schema, and LLMs are great at parsing and generating XML. And then also, the SSRS schema is wildly published and discussed on forums going back for years. So almost all the LLMs have a pretty good understanding as to how to build an SSRS report via, or I should say, paginated report via XML. Not only that, all of the really skilled SSRS developers are starting to retire and leave the job market, which means that people like me, who mainly have learned Microsoft Power BI or Tableau, don't have a great understanding as to how to build a really, really cool and effective paginated report. Even though paginated reports are still, for the most part, the most effective way to display massive amounts of tabular data in the Power BI Fabric ecosystem. So, with that said, I'm about to utter a few words that I think every single Microsoft executive wants to hear. Microsoft, will you please put Copilot into this piece of software you make? It desperately needs it. Now, Microsoft might be a multi-billion-dollar company, but it's not like they have unlimited funds to integrate Copilot into everything they build, right? So that means we need to convince them that it's worth the investment, which means in this video, I'm going to demonstrate just how good Copilot is at building a paginated report all on its own without any kind of integration. Now, obviously, since the two aren't integrated, I can't just open up Power BI Report Builder and type to prompt. But what I can do is I can use Copilot in my web browser, and I can copy and paste XML from the web browser into the RDL. Do you think it's going to go well? Well, I do. I haven't even tried it, and I think it's going to work. So here is basically a blank Microsoft Power BI paginated report file. I have connected it to Databricks, where I have pulled in a order table. Now, this file is called demo.rdl, and as you can see, I have it saved in this folder right here. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to exit completely out of Power BI Paginated Report Builder, and I'm going to open it up in Notepad++. So here is the XML code that currently makes up this report. And here is the query that it is executing to connect to Databricks. As you can see, the fields are named, and unfortunately they contain underscores. So let's start things off easy for Copilot, and let's see if it can rename all of these fields so they don't have underscores in them. And the first step of that is opening up Copilot in our web browser. Then I'm going to copy and paste out of this RDL file. I'm going to say, here is some, oh, and it's going to verify that I'm a human, I guess. And then I'm going to say here, so here is some RDL XML. Can you rename all the fields in this so they do not have underscores in them? And every word starts with a capital letter. And I misspelled letter, but I don't think that should matter here. So let's see. Look, here it is. Reordering them, bum, bum, bum. And as you can see, it just removed the spaces. So let's copy and paste this field section into our RDL file right here. So we're going to update this. And we're going to paste that in right there. And we're going to go ahead and hit save. Then we're going to jump back into Power BI Paginated Report Builder, click open, and then open up that RDL. And hopefully what we see here is a bunch of nicely named fields. And that we do. Okay, let's try something a little bit more complex. Let's try to have it create a table with all of our fields in it. Now, this is going to be tricky for Copilot because after a bit of fiddling, what I've come to realize is that Copilot really struggles to generate the full report's XML on its own. So back into Report Builder, I'm going to go into insert and I'm going to go table. I'm going to go insert in table and I'm going to add that table. And then I'm going to, let's just, for example, copy in order ID and I'm going to hit save. Then we can take that RDL, save it as a text file and give it to Copilot. And we're going to do some prompting. And then at the end, we'll be given a giant XML file. Let's go ahead and let's copy this XML, go back into our RDL where I've already deleted everything out, and let's paste it on in, and then let's hit save. Going back then into Power BI Report Builder, we can then go File, open up our recent file, hit OK, and just like that, there is our report. Let's go ahead and let's run it by clicking the Run button. It's going to take a little bit of time because it's going to need to query Databricks, which is an online service. But just like that, we now have a report loading into Paginated Report Builder. Now, this is a pretty ugly report, so let's try and prompt our way into a better one. So once again, I gave it our XML, and then I asked it to stylize our table, ideally in a modern web UI style. It piddle paddled, and after I asked it to give me the full XML, it then was able to produce a report that looks like this. Now, this looks great, except for the fact that it looks like some of the rows are cut off. So let's see if we can fix this. I told Copilot the text in the table in both the header and the rows is being cut off. The rows are not tall enough. Can you make it adapt to the text in them? It once again gave me updated XML, and it told me that it set the header and detail text box to can grow true and then reduced the base row height. Let's see if this fixed it. So going back into our RDL, I'm going to hit Control A one more time and then paste in the updated report. Then I'm going to go back into Paginated Report Builder, go File, Open Recents, reopen the demo file here. And it looks like it might have messed it up a little bit, but let's give it a chance to run. And when you look at that, we have a fully stylized table completely built by Copilot. One thing that I would want to fix is, for example, if you notice this T right here is going onto a new line, but that's something that we can do by ourselves by simply going over here and simply bumping up the column that holds the word fulfillment from point 8 to point 9, hitting save, then going once again, reopening the file and hitting execute. And when you look at that, we now have a table where none of the words are cut off. So in conclusion, I would love a Copilot enabled version of Power BI Report Builder. If I can get this far just by prompting in a web browser, imagine what a slightly tuned version of Copilot could do, fully integrated into the app itself. If you enjoyed this video and if you agree with me, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.